Opening statements in the murder trial of an elderly Royal Oak woman got underway today. 8 men, 6 women are hearing the case against Alan Wood. The 49-year-old and his lover, Tonya Watson, are accused of murdering Nancy Daly in her own home for money to buy drugs.
7 Action News reporter Cheryl Choden joins us live from our newsroom right now with more on the opening day of the trial. Cheryl?
Well, Carolyn, as you would expect, the prosecution and defense have different versions about what happened on November 20th of 2011, but the outcome of what happened is the same. 80-year-old Nancy Daly was murdered that day, and 2 parole absconders were seen later using on video using her credit cards and then arrested in connection with her death. Nancy Daly died after her throat was slashed, after the prosecution says she was beaten and stomped on by defendant Alan Wood, after Wood and Tonya Watson allegedly went through her Royal Oak house, stealing whatever they wanted, after the prosecutor says before leaving her house, Alan Wood used a knife he had stolen in another robbery and went and stabbed Daly in the neck to make sure she was dead. Tonya Watson has taken a plea and agreed to testify against Wood. The assistant prosecutor and defense lawyer addressed the jury today, and then testimony started.
Nancy Daly did not stand a chance against 6 feet, 170-pound, 48-year-old man, Alan Wood. All for what? Drug money. A couple $100.
It's about false evidence appearing real. False evidence appearing real.
Nancy was a wonderful person. She was very loving and kind and generous and fun, and many people will forever miss her.
Now, the assistant prosecutor told the jurors that Wood and Watson needed money for drugs and had raked leaves for Nancy Daly several days before the murder. They say that Nancy Daly kindly paid them even more money than they had asked for. The prosecutor also says hours after the murder, Wood and Watson were seen on video at several locations trying to get money using Nancy Daly's credit cards. That trial does continue. In the newsroom, I'm Cheryl Choden, 7 Action News. Stephen, back to you.